I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you these beautiful rainbow Vuitton nails using glitters from my store and also our acrylic system and other products. So we're going to dive straight into this video, and I'm starting off by applying my acrylic colour. Now I'm working very wet and thin with this, just applying it in thin layers to build up that colour. We don't want to add any thickness, which is why I like to use it almost like a water paint, and just place the colours exactly where I want. So I was kind of doing a random design. I didn't plan anything out, I just went with it. It had been a while since I created something and I just wanted to create. I wasn't actually going to film because I'm doing my right hand in this video using my left hand, which is my non-dominant, and sometimes I just feel like, what's the point in actually filming, because obviously my application isn't on point with that hand. You know, it's a little bit rusty, but then I decided, what the heck, might as well film, and then you guys have got another video. So why the hell not? So once I laid down my colours, I applied the corresponding glitters. So I've just applied Sun Rays, which is the chunky yellow. Well, I say chunky, it's kind of a mid range, like it's not fine, it's not super chunky, it's just a middle ground glitter. I'm then applying Beach Bum, and then I will also be applying Tropicana over the blue/teal as well. The brush that I'm using in this video is the number 12 pastel pink aqua brush. I've been absolutely loving it. It's so freaking beautiful. Absolutely love it. So I'm just using the tip of my brush to work that glitter and pat it into place and really just tickle it around, making sure that it's laying flat and that everything is in position before capping. We don't want any glitter or acrylic protruding or sticking up from the nail, because that's going to obviously start off the capping process a bit incorrectly and it's going to be bulky right off the bat. So you want to make sure that everything is placed correctly and laying really nice. So on this next nail, I'm going to come in and I'm going to be doing a marble nail. As you can see, I am way ahead of myself. I'm basically just choosing random acrylic colours and marbling them on the nail. Now I am going to do a separate video just for this so you guys can kind of see the process. Really slow and nice and just as it is in real time. It's just that it takes quite a while, so I wanted to get that in a separate video and really explain it in detail for you guys. So if you need to add more colour, of course, come in with that and just fill in all of the gaps. Again, you want to work really thin and quite wet when doing marble nails. So next I'm coming in on the pinky finger, and I'm kind of doing a similar technique that I did on the pointer, but I'm coming in with just 3 other colours. So I'm just going to be using green/yellow, a turquoise, and then also I think it was an orange, and then I'm going to add the corresponding glitters over the top. And just so you guys know as well, I'll have all of the products used in this video linked down in the description box. You can go and check them out. And if you want to use my discount code NINJA5, that allows you 5% off my website, which is glitterplanetuk.com. So next I'm coming in on the thumbnail, and I'm basically just doing the same marble. I really wanted this set to be super bright and jazzy, so I thought a multicolored rainbow marble would be the perfect thing to do to really add a splash of color. On the ring finger, I have an extended smile line in perfect pink acrylic, which is absolutely stunning, and I've refined it with a hand file, and now I'm coming in with my coloured acrylic. So I'm just going to use a multitude of colours, and I'm going to go ahead and apply them really wet and just use the tip of my brush to place them exactly where I want. So I'm laying that bead down and then using the tip of my brush to blend them together, work them out, and really make sure that they are applied exactly where I want. You want to make sure you're doing it thin, especially because I was going to be adding a few sequin pieces, some of the lens flare holographic glitter. So I wanted to work thin enough so that when I capped, it protected that glitter and didn't kind of file off. So I came in and yeah, just did that ombre, and then I'll move on to the next step. So once I'd finished the ombre, it was time to come in with some of the holographic silver lens flares. These are available on my website and they are so freaking adorable. And yeah, I'm just applying those with some of the crystal clear acrylic. Apply it quite wet, and it's just going to act as a little bit of glue for those sequins or whatever you want to encapsulate within your nails. You can just lay them on there and press them down with the belly of your brush, making sure that they are flat and laying flush with the nail before you encapsulate. So since I was using my left hand, I didn't film encapsulating because damn, it is a mess. Like, nobody needs to see that. So I encapsulated and filed off of camera, and this is the final result. My filing is never as good on this hand because honestly, I always give up. Like, I cannot be bothered with it. It is a disaster. Just showing you guys these pretty glitters again, and then we'll come in and add that super gloss top coat for the high gloss beautiful shine and to make these colours and glitters really pop. So super gloss is a no wipe UV LED top coat, and it can cure it in both an LED and UV lamp. It's super gorgeous. It's quite thick, but it's not too thick to the point where it doesn't spread, so it's just going to give a really nice plump glossy finish to those nails. And yeah, I absolutely love it. You guys love it. I think it's so beautiful, and this is my favourite part. You guys know. Just look at that beautiful glitter. Oh, so beautiful. BTW, this Vuitton, I did not show you guys because I'm going to do a separate video. Again, I painted this with my left hand. It was tragic, so I didn't really want to show you guys that, but I did use the Nailmate liner brush for that. It is a super fine detailing brush, and I'll have that linked for you guys just so you can check it out. It's super fine. You get two ends on it, so it's perfect for detailed art or character art or even just lines, of course. So once I've applied my top coat, I cure it in the light for 30 to 60 seconds, and then I'll add some cuticle oil. I'm loving the coconut cuticle oil from my website at this moment. It's absolutely beautiful. I have a bottle of it everywhere because I cannot be without it. Absolutely love it. I added a little cuff of Swarovski, and then it got too late, so I gave up on that as well. You know, I gotta get some sleep. Anyway guys, I hope you guys love this video. Always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.